my mind. Hit me this time. Hit me, baby, one more time. How was I supposed to know? Oh, pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go. I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe that you will be here and give me your sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. My loneliness is killing me, and now I must confess I still believe you will be here and give me your sign. Hit me, baby, one more time.
Britney!
Hello, fellas!
Britney, halika dito! Grabe, nakikinig na lang. Grabe ka, Melay!
Sir!
Grabe! As in, kala namin nasa Harry Potter kami. Sa ilong pala kala mo, Hogwarts. Pero napakahusay. Melay, that was, actually, sorry. Britney, that was an amazing performance.
Thank you very much, Bali.
Hindi namin alam na may tinatago pala si Melay na ganito, ha?
Mga hit me.
Hoy, wag.
Ang aking mga kapatid na tuways. Nanood sila. I love you.
Mga taga-tuway.
Yeah.
Last day mo na lang yung last week. Pero in fairness, bukod sa pagtatransform mo into a sexier you, eh mukhang may natutunan nga kay Teacher Jercel.
Wabam!
Wabam!
Diba ganun, teacher?
Bam! Wabam!
Actually, ang natutunan ko kay teacher is, ano yun, liquid?
Anong liquid? Fluid?
Fluid.
Ito na lang. May test tayo ngayon. Kasama to. Ang fluid. Ang test natin ay fluent. Use fluent in a sentence.
Fluent?
Fluent.
Parang fluid yun na pag-aralan ko. Sige, fluid.
Sige, fluid.
Fluid is something to liquefy your performance. Put a liquid in your performance.
Very good, Melay. Very, very good. Pero tignan naman natin
humility.
kung mas
humility.
nagustuhan at desirable ka nga in their eyes. Of course, ang juror natin, umpisahan natin kay Ate Shawi. Ikaw na agad.
Sabi ko, tanongin mo eh. Sabihin mo, use humility.
Use humility in a sentence. Oh, humility daw.
I feel so humility.
Baka ibig sabihin mo, I feel so humiliated.
Akala ko ganun.
Grabe, Melay. Nakakagulat in a very special way. Pero pag sumide view ka, nadidistract.
Sa ilongkot, Miss Shawi.
Pag sa harap, perfect eh. Pag sumide view, parang
Side view ka nga,
darating
side
na.
view. Oo.
Parang Pasan Walico Bridge na siya. Parang hindi na rin siya normal.
Pero
Dugtong
Melay,
eh.
ngayon ka lang ba nakitang sumayaw ng ganon? Ako ngayon lang kita nakitang sumayaw ng ganon.
Sa bahay namin nakita yun. Pero hindi pa ako sumasayaw sa mga stage ni Char-Char lang.
No, but that was a great performance, Mela. I wish I could dance like that.
Hala, uy,
Ang galing! Ang galing-galing mo! Pati yung boses mo, paano mo ginawa yun? Yung...
Okay, inipit ko lang po yung aking kuwan.
Yung throat,
Aking
kilalamunan.
po nito sa... Oo, ganun.
Congratulations, Mela. Ang galing-galing. I'm so happy with what you did tonight.
Thank you very much.
Ayos. Ito, hindi pa tapos. Tangin naman natin, Jed Madela.
Wow, Melay, mistisa ka. Ganda
Hello,
mo pala.
fellas.
Ano sabi mo?
Hello, fellas.
Fellas.
Last week, sobrang pinasakit mo yung tiyan ko, sakit ng pangako sa kakatawa. At ikaw na yung pinakahulid no last week, di ba? Pero ngayon, ikaw yung unang-una At ganun pa din yung effect mo sa akin. Sobra ako. Sumakit na ulo ko.
Jen,
pati-
seryoso siya.
Sa lagay na yun.
Sa lagay na yun, seryoso siya.
Oo, pero hindi. Nag-work naman eh.
Okay.
And talagang last week matangos yung ilong mo ngayon. Mas matangos pa ngayon.
Fifth floor to ngayon, fifth floor. Last week,
Dati third floor. Oh, ngayon fifth floor. Next week, abangan nyo, penthouse. Pinocchio.
Baka maglakad ka, excuse me, dadaan yung ilong.
Ikaw na yung ano eh, sa gate eh. Di ba? Pagbukas eh.
Wait lang anak, buksan natin yung gate.
Saan po studio? Doon.
Oo, correct.
Tsura ni Pinocchio.
Hindi, pero eto lang masasabi ko, Melay, sobrang leveled up lahat. Lahat ng performances mo nung last week ngayon, ni-level up mo pa, pati ilong mo na level up. Pero hindi, sobrang saya kami at I'm sure lahat ng mga susunod sa'yo mapapressure kasi sobrang galing mo at sobrang nag-enjoy ako. This is the best way to start this show.
Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Jen.
you very much.
Mr. Pure Energy, Mr. Gary. Okay.
To hear you.
Melay, akala ko okay na yung opening na Boy George.
Tinabunan yon, sir.
Pero grabe yung ginawa mo. Alam mo bakit? Kasi parang sa nakikita namin, nag-i-enjoy ka, no?
Yes.
Challenge para sa'yo, pero nag-i-enjoy ka.
Yes, Mr. Gary. Parang na-feel ko yung parang feeling ko si Britney talaga. Oo. Kahit sobrang layo, pero parang char-char ko
Hindi
na.
naman, hindi naman.
I think na tama yung sinabi ko last week na malamang makikita natin ang mga contestants na hihigit pa dun sa ginawa nila sa first week. And this is exactly what you did, Melay. So congratulations.
Thank you very much, jury.